Hey guys, Mike Volkin here. So today I'm going to be talking about some safety nets for freelancers in the gig economy. So as you can imagine, as the lead instructor of Freelancer Masterclass, I get a lot of questions about insurance and protecting yourself when you're sick. And so not only am I going to share with you some tips on that today, but I'm also going to share with you a new company that I found that will help you a lot with that safety net that you need as a freelancer. So first, as a freelancer, you're going to need general liability insurance. It's always a good idea. So when somebody seeks damage reimbursements from work that you've done, you're going to want general liability insurance, okay? Also, you should consider professional liability insurance too, and this is also called E&O or errors and omissions. It's all the same thing. This covers legal expenses when a client claims negligence from work that you've done. So guys, it's no secret that the American economy has been hit really hard with the coronavirus, but what isn't getting talked about is how it will affect the gig economy, and specifically app-based workers, right? Your Uber drivers and whatnot, and your Postmates. So by the end of August, it's expected that more than 35 million Americans are going to lose their jobs, and many of them will sign up for gig work. So the number of gig workers, your Uber drivers and your Postmate couriers and your Instacart shoppers, they're all going to increase like by 25% is the latest stats, and that's at the end of this year, which is 2020. And also, for the first time in history, the gig economy, the gig workers are qualified to receive unemployment benefits if their work significantly decreases due to COVID. So this is actually a huge step for gig workers, and as many of you and many people have turned to the gig economy for income, the question becomes, how can we make the gig economy sustainable? So the purpose of this video is to get you thinking about the sustainability challenges associated with gig-based work. So if you're a freelancer, you're in it, so you should have to be thinking about stuff like this. And it's a difficult industry if you're trying to, save for the future or deal with unexpected income loss. What happens if you get in a car accident? Or, not just a car accident, but an accident in general? What happens if you get hospitalized? As a gig worker, you have few support poles to rely upon. Your work stops, but your bills don't. So as a nation, and even throughout the world, we need people to think about gig economy and the economy of the future. So I promise you at the beginning of this video, a really hot tip. I recently found out about this startup called Kover. The website is kover.ai, and I'm about to dive a little bit deeper into it this week, but it looks like for $7 a month as a gig worker, you can start getting coverage. They have a few plans to choose from, and you get coverage like on accidents and hospital bills. So you get access to healthcare, you'll get access to legal help, you'll get access to sick leave. And this is the reason that most people rely on that 8-to-5 job that they force themselves to go to for protection like that. So now you are empowered to be a gig worker because companies like Kover are stepping up to help the gig economy grow through protection. Okay. So anyway, I hope this got you thinking a little bit about the things that you can do as a gig worker for protection and the resources that are available to you if accidents do happen. Okay. So good luck.